Hello guys, welcome to this quick video about debugging in Eclipse. What's debugging? In fact, debugging is like running application. Let's use the single test. I can right click and run it. JUnit test and see that's red, but why it's red? For that I need to inspect it to see how it works. I need to debug. Let's debug it as a JUnit test. Also red, as before nothing changes. That's here when you come with the breakpoints. What's a breakpoint? It's a point where the application stops in the middle of the running, so you can inspect all the state of the application. To add a breakpoint, just double click here in the line number. I don't know if you see it, but there is a small dot. And now, if I debug again, you see that there is no red bar. Something stopped. In the debug view, in the lower part, I see that I am in the main test at line 11, where I have set the breakpoint, where I have added the breakpoint. If I go to the variables view, I see some of variables that I may instantiate it here in the method or in the class. I have nothing, so nothing is displayed. But let's investigate what's inside the method. The test expects that the right side is equal to the left side. I have 1 in the left side, and the method return 1 should return 1. How can I be sure? I select all the methods, right click, and I can inspect it. As you see, it shows me the result. It shows me the returned value 2. That's not good. So what can I do? I can go into this method to see what happens inside this method. To do so, I have those 3 arrows, which are step into, step over, and step return. Step into means that I will jump into the method, inside the method. Step over means that I will jump to the next line, in this current method. And step return means that I will go to the parent method, to the method who calls this one. What I want is to know the behavior of return one method, so I want to step into this method. I click on this arrow and I jump it into the return one method. I see that it returns 2. That's not good. And you see the line highlighted. So now I can step return because I already know the behavior, or continue until the end. I can continue until the end with resume, the play button. Now I can correct this value, save, and if I run again the test as debug or as run, I see the green bar. I can remove the breakpoint clicking again in the line number or going to the breakpoints view. Where is the breakpoints view? Window, show view, to others, breakpoints. And you see there the breakpoint. I can disable it or right click and remove it, or remove all the breakpoints. If I finish it, I can remove all the breakpoints. Remove all the breakpoints, yes. So that's all. That was all for this quick video, just about debugging with Eclipse. The debugging is very important when you have a large application and you want to know the behavior of some small parts. You can debug for unit tests or for the entire application. Use it if you want to know the values in the middle of the running application, in the middle of the running test. I hope you enjoyed, so see you in the next video. Bye!